Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to show you how to add your Clickbank main affiliate storefront to your WordPress blog. So let me take you over to what the main affiliate storefront look like. It looks like this, and it has all of the digital products that Clickbank offers. All the products, every niche, every market, everything that they sell is in this niche storefront. As you can see from the drop down menu, when I hover over any of the categories, then it gives you a subcategory of everything that's installed. And I'm going to show you how to add this store to your to your WordPress website. Okay, so after we add it, we're going to come back and then we're going to scroll through. I'm going to show you how you're going to make your commission. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So even though let's go over back. So this right here at the top graphics right here is one that I've chosen to use, and there are 5 different versions to the storefront. This graphic is from version 4, but what I just clicked on to show you is version 5. All right, so let's get started. So the way I do it is, first I need a graphics. I need a picture to put onto the side of my blog, of my WordPress blog. So like I said, I used the graphic from version 4 of the store, which is what you see right here. And the way I capture it, I use a install or a plugin that they call, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's from Jing, J-I-N-G, jing.com. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but it's a screen capture software. You have to go to the website jing.com and download it. And if you look right up here to the top of my screen, you see something like a half of a sun. And when you install it, it comes onto your desktop or your laptop, and you could either save it to the top of your screen, to the side of your screen, to the bottom. But I choose to save it to the top. So the way you capture images, you go and you hover above it and it opens up. You have three little section. One is for screen capture, one is for a history of what you've captured, and then you have settings. So I click on the screen capture, and now as you see, it has like a little yellow box. So what I do is you have to hold down your mouse, left click your mouse, hold it down, and then you drag the mouse to capture the part of the screen that you want to. So here I am, I'm capturing this picture. I don't want the whole thing. I don't want all the books in it and everything. I just want this piece right here. So I hold it down, and when I've satisfied with the way it looks or what I want, then you just lift your finger off of the mouse. Now you have it captured. Now you need to save it, and then you again left click, you save, and you save it somewhere on your computer. I have a file. Every month I do a file. So we're in February right now, so I do a file for every time I upload anything to YouTube. I use monthly files. So we're in February, so I'm gonna save it in the February file, even though I have it in there already. I'm doing this for purposes of showing you. So I'm saving that screen capture in the February file. Close that out. Now we need to get that screen capture, that picture, over to our WordPress blog. So you open up your WordPress blog and you go into the admin area. You go into the admin area of your WordPress blog, click on dashboard, and then you come down to a appearances or appearance, and you want to go over to widgets. You click on widgets, and now this is your widget section, your menu section. And this right here where it says sidebar, that is what you see over here. This is the sidebar right here with the graphics and other things underneath it. That's all this right here. So I want to get that picture over here on the sidebar. I'm going to put it right below this one, even though I already have it. I'm going to put it right below it just for instruction purposes. So you come back over here to widgets, and you want to do an image. So where do you get an image bar in order to drop that image in? You scroll down to the bottom of your widget section, and you find, did I pass it? You find, yeah, here we are. You find on the left side the image box, and again, left click on that, and then drag it over into your sidebar, and you keep dragging till you get to the top. If you need help, use the up arrow on your keyboard to move up so you could see. If you get stuck, use the up arrow. Keep holding down the mouse and the up arrow in order to move. Do not let go of the mouse. So now you have your designated section where you want it. Now just let go, and it drops right in, and now it's telling you to add your image. Here we go. We're going to add our image. The way we do that, click on add image. It's going to ask you to either look into your media library if you already have images there, or upload. And for instruction purposes, again, I'm going to upload the files. So once you click on upload files, select files from your computer, and it takes me right into my February uploads because that's where I was. And I am going to click on the latest screen grab that I have, and then click on that, click open. It's going to take you into the file section, upload, and it has a check mark right there telling you that's the one that's highlighted for right now. And also if you look at the right side of the screen, also you'll see it over there. Now you want to make sure that the correct link is attached to this image. So what you do, you scroll down, leave everything as it, I'm sorry, no, what you want to do is also compress. You want to make sure that it fits. So sometimes the screen grab might be a little bit too big, because I believe the size for the image on the side of your blog, it has to be a certain size, certain pixel. So it's 250 by 300, and this might be a little bit too big. So if you click on compress, it will make sure that it's the correct size. So we click on compress, and we're making sure that it's the correct size. Okay, so it says it's done. Click on close, and now we want to add a destination URL. So the way we do that now, it says attachment display settings. You want to link to a custom URL. Let's see what else. You don't want to link to a media file. You don't want to link to an attachment page. You want to link to a custom URL. So where do you get the URL or the link from? You're going to come back over to CBPro ads. So this is the image we use. We don't need that page anymore. Let's just close that out. Okay, go back to CBPro ads. We come over here to your account. You click on version 5, which I've already done. See, all of the versions are right here, but if you're not there yet, then you will click over here, version 5, version 4, version 3, version 2, and then I want to get the URL from version 5, which is right here.
Here's a result from the web.
And then I just want to, you don't have to generate a new URL because it's right here at the top. And of course, I'm gonna cover mine to keep my ID a secret. So you highlight your default URL, copy that, then come back over to the widget section of your WordPress blog, and in the area where it says URL, you paste that link right there. By now you should know how to copy and paste. You paste that link right there and then click on add to widget. Okay, and then it takes you back into the widget section, of course, and then you look to see if you like how it looks, and make sure you click on save, and make sure that there's a link in the box right below the image. So click on save. If you don't click save, it will disappear, and then you click on done. And now to check to see if it's really on the sidebar, what you do is you go back over to you could either open a new tab to see the front page of your blog, or you could do the drop down and says visit site. But I'm gonna click on the link that I've already opened. I'm gonna do a reload or refresh. So I did the reload, and as you see right now, here it is on the site. It's the second one we just added. First one I already had there. So second one we just added, let's click on it to make sure it takes us to the main storefront. And here it is, your main storefront of your Clickbank products, all with your products from Clickbank. Now you're probably saying, okay, if somebody comes on here and makes a purchase, how am I sure to be the one to get the commission? So if you remember, when you signed up with CBPro ads, you had to put in your Clickbank ID. That's how you're going to get paid, using your Clickbank ID. So let's go through and pretend that we are purchasing a product and see if our Clickbank ID shows up. Okay. All right. So let's go into make money. Let's go into affiliate marketing, since that's what we're doing. And let's choose a digital product from affiliate marketing. Okay, let's choose one with a nice return. Okay, let me see. Okay, Amazon affiliate site builder. We click on view more. We're going to visit the site, pretending that we're a customer, we're buying something. Okay, so here we are looking at the site. Okay, we decide that we like what we see, so we are going to buy. So let's buy Site Wizard now. Takes you to a secure checkout page, like this is what most Clickbank's secure checkout page look like. And to make sure that you are the one getting the commission as the Clickbank affiliate, you will scroll down to the bottom, and where it says, all the way down at the bottom where it says affiliate, there is my affiliate ID for Clickbank. So that is how you check to make sure that you are the one getting the payout or the commission. All right, you want to, let's do another just to be sure. Okay, let's go back, use the back arrow and choose another product. Let's go to a different category. So we did make money. Let's do wellness. Exercise and fitness. That's another evergreen niche. Let's do 6 weeks to 6-pack abs. Let's visit the site. Okay, so this is a video. It says prefer to read, click here. scroll all the way down till we find the button to click to buy. Okay, so here we go. It's giving me a voucher. I don't really need it right now. Women, click here to get sexy and feminine abs. It's gonna take you to a secure checkout page. And here we are. Scroll down to the bottom. And there it is, my affiliate link right there. Okay? So that is how you add this digital storefront to the side of your WordPress blog. I've showed you how to go about doing niche web pages similar to these, like healthydrinks.com, forextrading.com, and like Facebook. I've showed you how to get all these niches. I've showed you how to download them and get them on the internet to make sure that you're getting the commission. I show you how to customize it to make sure that you are getting the AdSense ad revenue, how you're getting the Amazon ad revenue, and how you're getting the Clickbank revenue. So these are more niche websites, but just now I showed you how to go about putting the entire Clickbank selection on your WordPress blog. So I'm going to go in now and I'm going to delete one of these, but I think I will also add another one further down on the side of the blog, so when people scroll down they still have the option to see it again. See, you have over here, you have AdSense ads, I have I have Max Bounty ads, more AdSense ads. So you make sure you use up the side of your blog. Don't let this empty space go to waste. It's up to you to put whatever you want there. And I think I'm going to add another one for the digital storefront further down on the blog. So I hope I've showed you. I hope you understand. If you're not sure, go back and watch the video, and go on and put this site on your WordPress blog. Like I said, take the space, use it up, and make sure that you're out there marketing all your CBPro sites. Okay guys, I thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video, like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Until next time guys, take care of yourselves and your family. And again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.